Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. This is what I'm preparing for quick lunch, between lunch to supper, or between breakfast to lunch, or you can make it this for treats. I did do onions and ground beef. I finished it. Now I'm working on feta cheese. I'm just wrapping this. I bought this. You can buy this in any frozen section. There's about 50 sheets, as I'm showing at the beginning. I dropped the camera. Sorry, I did not use my iPod. Next time. And here I am frying, and I'm using a deep pan because even with this, lots of oil all over. So I just wanted to share what I am making, and you guys have fun. And this is how it looks like.